Let's talk about something that's on every parent's mind, having a real financial safety net for your family's health. One that actually catches you every single time, no matter what. Today, we're going to break down the Care Supreme plan and see if it really delivers that complete peace of mind. So let's get into it.
So here's the question, and it's a scary one. What if one major illness or a bad accident just completely wipes out your family's entire health coverage for the year? It's a horrible thought, right? Suddenly, everyone you care about is left financially exposed. Well, this is the exact fear that this plan is designed to tackle head-on. Let's see how it does it.
So the whole solution is built around a feature that's as simple as it is, well, powerful. A health plan that's literally designed to refill itself. I know, it sounds almost too good to be true. So let's unpack exactly how that's even possible.
Okay, so the heart of this safety net is something called unlimited automatic recharge. Honestly, the best way to think of it is like a magic wallet for your health coverage. Every time it gets empty, it just, boop, refills itself. And the key word here, the most important one, is unlimited. It's not a one-time thing. It happens as many times as you need it to within the year.
And here's where you can really see the difference. With a lot of standard plans, one big claim can leave your family high and dry for the rest of the policy year. But with this plan, it's like hitting a giant reset button. And what's absolutely crucial is that this restored amount isn't just for a different illness. It can be used for the very same person for the very same illness, or for anyone else on the plan for something totally new. That's a huge deal.
So the bottom line is really simple. With a feature like this, your family's health protection just doesn't quit. It's always there, ready for whatever life decides to throw your way.
But, real peace of mind isn't just about having a backup for the worst-case scenario. It's about knowing you have solid support at every single step of the way. So let's look at how this plan creates a full circle of care.
This is where the plan's support system really shines. See, it's not just about what happens in the hospital. The support actually starts up to 60 days before you're even admitted. We're talking about all those initial doctor's visits, tests, and diagnostics. And then, and this is so important, the support continues long after you've gone home. Because we all know recovery doesn't just stop the second you leave the hospital.
180 days. Just let that number sink in for a second. That's half a year of post-hospitalization coverage. For a family, that means 6 months of follow-up appointments, physical therapy, medications, all of that stuff covered. That is a massive weight lifted off your shoulders when you're already stressed.
And of course, let's be real, managing a family's health isn't only about major emergencies. It's the day-to-day stuff, right? The random fevers, the coughs, the routine checkups. This plan is actually designed to make that part of a parent's life a whole lot easier.
I mean, just picture this. It's 2 in the morning, your kid has a fever, and you can talk to a doctor without even leaving the house. That's what unlimited e-consultations give you. Or think about getting a proper annual health checkup for every single person in the family, every year, to catch things early. This is all about making healthcare fit into your busy life, not the other way around. Medicine is moving so fast these days. New treatments, new technologies. You need a plan that actually keeps up, one that doesn't surprise you with a bunch of fine print and unexpected bills. And that's where this plan's flexibility is just so important. Okay, this next feature is a total game changer, especially for families. It's called domiciliary hospitalization, which is just a fancy way of saying hospital-level care at home. If a doctor says it's needed, but can be done safely at home, it's 100% covered. That means a family member can recover in their own bed, in familiar surroundings. That can make a world of difference.
And the coverage doesn't stop there, not by a long shot. The plan covers modern, often very expensive treatments without putting these annoying little caps on them. It even embraces alternative medicine, covering things like Ayurveda and homeopathy. And of course, it includes the essentials you'd expect, from ambulance services to even covering the expenses for an organ donor. It's really designed to cover all the bases.
So let's just zoom out for a second. We've talked about the unlimited recharge, the full circle of care, the modern flexibility. What does all of that actually add up to for your family's security in the real world?
When you put it all together, it really changes how you look at health insurance. It stops being this policy that you just hope you never have to use, and it becomes a promise. It's a promise that no matter what health challenge comes your way, your family has the support system and the financial backing to get through it.
So, I guess it leaves you with a pretty big question to think about. When you look at your own family's plan, is it really built for the kind of uncertainties we face today? Is it a true safety net, or is it just a policy with a lot of limits? It's definitely something worth thinking about. Thanks for tuning in.